In these problems, we are practicing factorial expressions a little bit more. And for most of these, I think we can do them without a calculator if we just think cleverly about them. So this one, 11 factorial over 2 factorial times 9 factorial, looks really complicated. 11 factorial is 11 times 10 times 9 times 8, etc., all the way down. So these look like huge numbers. But remember, this is a fraction, so we can cancel stuff. So 11 factorial is 11 times 10 times 9, and all the way down. That's what we have on the top. On the bottom, we have a 9 factorial. So this 9 factorial is this 9 and all the way down part. So this is going to cancel with this. So on the top, all we've got left is 11 times 10. And on the bottom, we've got 2 factorial, which is 2 times 1, or just 2. So 11 times 10 is 110. And on the bottom, we've got 2. So this is 110 divided by 2. Well, that is 55. That wasn't too bad. Let's try this one. And here we don't even need to calculate it. We just need to pick which one shows the right answer. So let's figure out what cancels here. 7 factorial is 7 times 6 times 5 times 4. And then I'm going to stop because, look, we have a 3 factorial on the bottom, which would be 3 times 2 times 1. So this 3 times, etc., is going to cancel with this 3 factorial. Now we also have a 2 factorial on the top, which is 2 times 1, or just really times 2. So we get 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 2. Bingo, that's B. All right, now this looks a little more complicated. We have n plus 5 factorial over n plus 2 factorial, and we have to pick which one of these expressions this simplifies to. You know, if this seems confusing, I think the best thing to do is pick a number for n and just see what it looks like. So I'm going to pick the number n equals 1 because that's really simple. Okay, so if n equals 1, then this number is 6 on the top. So we'd have 6 factorial over, and on the bottom, if n is 1, that would be 3 factorial. And so I'd get 6 times 5 times 4, and then when I hit the 3, it would cancel, right? So this would be 6 times 5 times 4, and the rest of it would cancel. So what is 6 times 5 times 4 if n was 1? Well, 6 is n plus 5. And 5 is n plus 4. And 4 is n plus 3. And that's it. That's what it is. So it would be this answer right here. So that is a little bit of more work with factorial expressions.